Imagine you're starting a cafe. You've got the idea, the passion, maybe even the money. But after a few weeks, orders are delayed, staff are confused, and customers stop coming. What went wrong? Most likely, management functions weren't in place. Let's fix that in a few minutes. Instead of definitions, let's understand management the way it actually happens in real life. Every business runs on 4 invisible steps. Not theory, not jargon. Back to your cafe. Before opening, you need clarity. What kind of cafe is this? Budget or premium? Who are your customers? Students? Families? What's on the menu? That's planning. It's basically answering the following. What exactly are we trying to do here? Now your cafe is ready to open. But wait. Who's making coffee? Who's taking orders? Who's handling payments? That's organizing. It's about putting the right people and resources in the right place. Because even a great plan fails if everyone is confused about their role. Now comes the real challenge. People! It's not about being the boss. It's about motivating people, solving problems, keeping the team focused. A good leader turns chaos into coordination. A few weeks later, you check your numbers. Are you making a profit? Are customers coming back? Are costs under control? That's controlling. Are we on track, or do we need to fix something? And if something's off, you adjust. These 4 steps don't happen once, they happen again and again. That's how businesses grow and improve. So next time you see a business running smoothly, remember that behind the scenes, it's not magic. It's just 4 things done right: planning, organizing, leading, controlling.